Today I will start Unit 2. The name of this unit is chemical change. Now I start definition of chemical change. A chemical change is a permanent change in which the chemical composition of a substance change and one or more new substance is formed with new properties. Now, type of chemical change. Chemical change are four types. First number, combination reaction. Combination reaction, the reaction in which one product formed by two reactants is called combination reaction. First number, combination reaction, when one product formed by two reactants is called combination reaction. For example, when carbon react with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. When iron react with sulfur, it forms iron sulfide. Second number, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, the reaction in which two products formed by one reactant is called decomposition reaction. Again repeat, the reaction in which two products formed by one reactant is called decomposition reaction. For example, when mercury oxide are heated, then mercury plus oxygen form twice HgO gives twice Hg plus oxygen. Second example, silver chloride twice AgCl gives twice Ag plus Cl2. Here, third number, displacement reaction. The reaction in which more reactive element displace the less reactive metal from their compound is called displacement reaction. For example, when copper sulfate reacts with iron, it forms ferrous sulfate plus Cu. Its color is blue, its color is green. Fourth number, double displacement reaction. A chemical change in which two compounds in a solution react to form two new compounds by mutual exchange. Again repeat, a chemical change in which two compounds in a solution react to form two new compounds by mutual exchange is called double displacement reaction. For example, when barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate, it forms barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus NaCl. Now we state the type of reaction. Each of the following represent and balance the ones that are not balanced. This question are exercise question number 10, exercise 2B, page number 29, question number 10. First question, Cl2 KBr, Cl2 plus KBr gives KCl plus Br2. Here this reaction is unbalanced because bromine is 1, here bromine is 2. Therefore, we write here twice and here twice. In this way, this reaction is balanced, and the reaction is called displacement reaction. This reaction name is displacement reaction. Second number, NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. This reaction is balanced reaction. This reaction is called double displacement reaction. Now third reaction, Fe plus Cu SO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. This reaction name is displacement reaction. This reaction is balanced reaction. Now next reaction, PbO2 lead oxide plus SO2 sulfur dioxide gives PbSO4 lead sulfate. This reaction is called combination reaction. Next, KClO3 gives KCl plus O2. When potassium chloride heated, then it gives potassium chloride plus oxygen. This reaction is called decomposition reaction. This reaction is unbalanced. For balancing, here we write twice, here twice. Now oxygen atom is 6, therefore here thrice. In this way, this reaction is balanced. Next, H2O2 gives H2O plus O2. It is called hydrogen peroxide. Water plus oxygen. This reaction is also unbalanced. Here twice, here twice. In this way, hydrogen atom is 4, hydrogen atom is 4, oxygen atom is 4, oxygen atom is also 4. This reaction is called decomposition reaction. Potassium nitrate plus sulfuric acid gives nitric acid plus potassium hydrogen sulfate. This reaction is double displacement reaction, and this reaction are balanced reaction. Now next reaction, cupric oxide plus hydrogen. It is also called copper sulfate, copper oxide plus hydrogen gives copper plus H2O. This reaction is balanced reaction, and this reaction is called displacement reaction. Next reaction, CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. CaCO3, calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide. This reaction is balanced reaction, and the type of this reaction is decomposition reaction. Next, NH4Cl ammonium chloride gives ammonia plus hydrochloric acid. Balance reaction and its name is decomposition reaction. Next, double displacement reaction. This reaction is unbalanced. Here NO3 is 2, but here is NO3 is 1. For balancing, here we write twice. Now hydrogen atom is, oxygen atom is 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. Here 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. In this way, this reaction are balanced. Next reaction, KgNO3 plus NaCl with KgCl plus NaNO3. Its name is silver nitrate, sodium chloride, silver chloride, sodium nitrate. The name of this reaction is double displacement reaction. Next week I will be start unit 3 water. Now this chapter is closed.